For this circuit, we're going to do a series in parallel. Just like before, let's make our VIR chart. Fill in. This one we only have 3 resistors. Like we said on the other video, you're going to circle your combinations first. When you circle your combinations, you see that the inner circle is the series and the outer circle is the parallel. This is where we get series in parallel from. So we're going to add the series together first. 32 ohms. Then we're going to take that and combine the 32 to the 8. So 1 over 32 plus 1 over 8 is going to give me 1 over R total. This is going to give me 5 30-seconds, which is 1 over R total. Don't forget to flip it one more time to get the R total. So R total comes out to be 6.4 ohms. Now we have another open box right here for current, so 1.56 amps. Just like we would do with the series, the parallel in series, we're going to look at the rules of the last resistor function we did. We added in parallel. So the rules for parallel are the voltage is the same across the branches and the current adds. So if we were to try to trace the current around, we would see that it gets to this point and then splits. And that wouldn't do us any good in terms of trying to figure out what current goes where. So we need to focus on the voltage. From this point here and then this point here, the total voltage is 10. If we go back to color coding, this whole section right here would be red, and this entire line right here would be blue. So we know that across the single 8 ohm resistor, that's going to give us 10 volts. And look, we have an open box now. So 10 divided by 8, 1.25 amps. Now we can use the current rule because we know that the current splits and then adds to give us total. So if the total is 1.56, that means there's 0.31 amps left to go through this branch. Well, these two are in series. And in series, we know current is the same. So now we're almost done. We have 2 open boxes left. That's 6.2 volts. Then 0.31 times 12 ohms gives us 3.72 volts. Again, not exactly adding up to 10 because of rounding, but very close. And we know that these two should add up to about 10 volts. Hope this helps.